Welcome back to the IS Companion. In India's parliamentary system, the Governor is the nominal executive authority, de jure, while the Chief Minister is the real executive authority, de facto. The Governor is the head of the state, whereas the Chief Minister is the head of the government, similar to the Prime Minister at the national level. Appointment of the Chief Minister. The Constitution, under Article 164, states that the Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor. Typically, the Governor appoints the leader of the majority party in the state legislative assembly. If no party has a clear majority, the Governor can use discretion, usually appointing the leader of the largest party or coalition and asking them to prove their majority within a month. If the chief minister dies suddenly without an obvious successor, the ruling party usually elects a new leader, whom the Governor then appoints. A person not currently a member of the state legislature can be appointed chief minister but must get elected within 6 months. The chief minister can be a member of either house of the state legislature, though typically they come from the lower house, legislative assembly. Oath, term, and salary. Before taking office, the chief minister takes the oaths of office and secrecy administered by the Governor. The term is not fixed and is held during the pleasure of the Governor, meaning they remain in office as long as they enjoy the Legislative Assembly's support. Their salary and allowances are determined by the state legislature and include additional benefits like a sumptuary allowance, free accommodation, and medical facilities. Powers and functions. In relation to the Council of Ministers, the Governor appoints ministers based on the Chief Minister's recommendations. The Chief Minister allocates and reshuffles ministerial portfolios. They can ask ministers to resign or advise the Governor to dismiss them. They preside over and influence council meetings. They direct and coordinate ministerial activities. Their resignation or death dissolves the Council of Ministers. In relation to the Governor, the Chief Minister is the main communication link between the Governor and the Council. They advise the Governor on appointing key officials like the Advocate General and State Election Commissioner. In relation to the state legislature, they advise the Governor on summoning and proroguing legislative sessions. They can recommend the dissolution of the Legislative Assembly. They announce government policies in the House. Other powers and functions. Chairman of the State Planning Board. Vice Chairman of the Zonal Council. Member of the Interstate Council and Gunning Council of Niti Aayog. Chief Government Spokesperson and Crisis Manager. Political Head of State Services and Public Relations. Relationship with the Governor. Article 163. The Chief Minister heads a council of ministers to aid and advise the Governor, except when the Governor uses discretionary powers. Article 164. The Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor, who also appoints other ministers on the Chief Minister's advice. Ministers hold office during the Governor's pleasure, and the Council is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly. Article 167. The Chief Minister must communicate Council decisions and provide information to the Governor. They must also submit matters for Council consideration if the Governor requests it. This summary provides an overview of the roles, appointment, powers, and relationship of the Chief Minister within the Indian parliamentary system at the state level. Thank you.